everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on this video I will be showing you how to delete Dropbox files, photos and folders. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Dropbox application and after that log into your account. Once you're logged in on this interface, you will see all your file, folders and videos that you have uploaded to your Dropbox account. Now in order to delete that, under that specific folder and account, you will get three dot icon. So select the folder and then tap on three dot icon. A dialog box will pop up. Scroll down and at the very end you will see delete option. Tap on delete. Again it will ask for your confirmation. If you are sure, then tap on delete. And with that you have deleted your photos, and in this way you can also delete files or folders. Here a dialog box is still there that says undo. So if you want to undo that again, tap on undo and it will get restored. So that's how you delete files, folders and photos on Dropbox. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.